Hello, everyone. Welcome back to My Wealth Robot. Today I'm going to be talking about. This is probably going to be a video part three into how to make money online. Well, I'm really going to call it side hustles. This is also another side hustle I found out for you guys that you can do. You can actually go to websites online that will actually pay you to take surveys. Like this particular website right here, American Consumer Opinion. This particular website will pay you between $1 and $50, I believe. Depending, of course, depends on what kind of survey you take. I think it's the longer the survey, the more they pay. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's how it works. Anyway, you can kind of take a look at this right here. See right here, make money taking surveys, and this company is legit. And I'm going to show you three more other ones that I've already found for you that you can do the same with. Doesn't take if you have absolutely no money to start. If you have absolutely no money, no savings, no anything, if you have any money to start, this is what you can do. Taking surveys online. Okay. Next one is Survey Junkie. It's the same as the first. It pays you per survey. Again, you're going to have to exchange time for money. So if you don't have a lot of money to start with or to do anything with, this is going to require some time. Okay, it's going to require some time for you to do. Okay, so we can come down here and take surveys. Okay, build your profile and we'll match you to surveys. You get paid. You get paid, guys. You get paid. Okay. The next one is probably a little bit more known than the first two. Next one is Swag Bucks. You can sign up with this particular one. I think with this particular one, if you sign up, you get $5 when you first sign up as a taking surveys. As you can see, they have Amazon, PayPal, Target, Starbucks, I guess, a Walmart gift card. You know, just a way to earn some things. The website is self-explanatory. You know, so you can go out and check out this particular site. Now this particular one, I don't know how much they start off with, but most survey sites, they start off between, some of them start at $1, but some of them start even less. So with this particular, the next one I'm going to show you is the one that kind of starts less, is this one right here, Inbox Dollars. Okay, all right. This particular website, this one starts off, I think this one has a reward. I think it says it here, $5 bonus when you first sign up. But taking their surveys, this particular one starts off at 50 cents on up to $50. So you may ask, okay, are any other people doing this? Okay, well, we could go to YouTube again, you guys. Again, people making money doing surveys. Now, I would be careful when it comes to stuff like this, because when you're taking surveys don't necessarily pay a lot. You know, especially when you starting off and when you don't have any money, and you know, because you will have some people up here that, you know, make videos or what's trending kind of right now is so-called fake gurus. I probably gonna make a video on that about that whole fake guru thing. But you like I said, but most of what you see, they most of them are legit. So it's not don't quit your day job. It's not a way for you to walk away from your job, but it is a way that you can generate an additional side income for yourself. Maybe you can save up the money you take from surveys and take what I consider a better way of making money with the link in the description below. You could go and click that link, check that link out, and then you can see if it's the right fit for you. Okay, for you. Now, as I was saying earlier, just be careful when you switch to these YouTube channels. Some of them might promise you the world, thinking, oh, I made $100,000 a week or whatever. That's not true. Taking surveys, it does not pay a lot. It just pays between like this one particular one I just showed you here. This only pays starting off at 50 cents. And believe it or not, there are even some out there that even pay less than that. So, okay. All right. That'll be the end for this particular video. It's probably going to be the end for this side hustle series, unless I come across any more information for you guys. But until then, I'll see you next time.